So you've bought a used Tesla. This video walks you through the crucial process of adding it to your Tesla app. This step is essential to unlock remote control features, software updates, supercharger access, and warranty services. We will cover the process from start to finish. Let's dive in. The previous owner or seller needs to start the process from their Tesla account. They must log into the Tesla app or website. Then, they navigate to the vehicle's settings and select the option to initiate an ownership transfer. This generates a unique transfer code linked to your Tesla's vehicle identification number, or VIN. Make sure to get this code from them. Now it's your turn as the buyer. Start by creating a Tesla account if you don't have one, or log into your existing account. This ensures you have access to the app's features. Once logged in, select Add a Vehicle from the app menu. This initiates the process of linking the used Tesla to your account. Enter the vehicle identification number, or VIN, of your used Tesla. Make sure to get this information from the seller or check the vehicle's documentation. Next, enter the transfer code provided by the seller. This code is unique and ensures secure transfer of ownership. Double-check both the VIN and transfer code entries to avoid errors. The app's security measures will activate if there are too many failed attempts, potentially locking access temporarily. Tesla will now verify the information you've provided to ensure a secure transfer. This critical step includes multiple layers of authentication to protect both buyer and seller. First, VIN-based authentication uses your vehicle's unique 17-digit identification number to confirm its identity and ownership history. Tesla's system cross-references this with their database for instant verification. Next, payment details are confirmed, especially for supercharging access. If applicable, you'll need to verify your payment method to enable seamless charging at Tesla's network. This includes checking card validity and available balance. For added security, biometric verification may be required using your phone's fingerprint or facial recognition. This modern authentication method ensures only authorized users can complete the transfer, preventing fraud. Throughout the process, account linking and geolocation add further protection. Once all verifications are complete, your Tesla is successfully added to your account with full access to all features. Tesla uses robust security to prevent fraud and unauthorized access. The system checks for outstanding loans or liens on the vehicle through integrated services. Multiple accounts can't access a single car simultaneously. Transfers are generally irreversible without Tesla support, so ensure all information is correct before proceeding. What if something goes wrong during the transfer process? Let's explore common issues and how to resolve them. First, ensure the seller has actually initiated the transfer in their Tesla app. Without this step, the process cannot proceed. Next, double-check the vehicle identification number and transfer code. The VIN is a unique identifier, and even small errors can prevent verification. A common issue is a mismatch between the information you provide and Tesla's records, often due to typos. For international transfers, additional regulatory checks may be required. If you encounter errors, contact Tesla support immediately. They can help resolve issues like account locks or failed transfers without proper codes. Remember, Tesla's security measures prevent unauthorized access, and transfers are irreversible without support. Do not attempt to bypass them. Adding your used Tesla to the app unlocks numerous valuable features that enhance your ownership experience. Remote control capabilities allow you to lock and unlock your Tesla from anywhere. You can also adjust climate settings, ensuring your vehicle is comfortable when you arrive. Real-time location tracking keeps you informed of your vehicle's whereabouts at all times. Receive alerts if the car moves without authorization, providing peace of mind. Software updates are delivered automatically over the air, enhancing your Tesla's performance and safety. These updates add new features and keep your vehicle current with the latest technology. Gain access to Tesla's extensive supercharger network for rapid charging on long trips. Additionally, your warranty information and service scheduling are all managed digitally through the app. By adding your used Tesla to the app, you unlock a comprehensive suite of features that maximize your vehicle's potential and simplify ownership. Looking ahead, Tesla continues to enhance the ownership transfer process with cutting-edge technology. AI will guide users through each step, minimizing errors and providing personalized assistance. By 2026, expect blockchain integration for tamper-proof ownership records. Transfers will be completely digital, eliminating traditional paperwork and delays. As of 2025, 85% of used Tesla sales involve app transfers, significantly reducing fraud and paperwork. The future of Tesla ownership is bright, with seamless digital transfers that make owning a Tesla easier than ever.